Stable robot spraying starts with fixture posture, gun distance, overlap, and booth airflow. A repeatable robot path cannot fix coating variation if the part angle or spray distance keeps changing. In the footage, small parts move through the spray window, so coverage and overspray control must be planned together. EVST checks part holding, gun angle, spray width, ventilation, masking boundary, and recovery access together. A common mistake is approving a glossy first sample while ignoring dry spots, edge buildup, and fixture contamination. A stable spray cell links locating, path, gun parameters, booth airflow, inspection, and cleaning into one loop. This fits metal parts, brackets, housings, jack components, and repeated coating stations. EVST can configure robot reach, spray tooling, fixture, booth layout, and acceptance checks around coverage zones.